Greetings and good day to all. I am Atmaja Suraj Menon, 14 years, studying in class 9A, Indian School, Dasi. Today, I am going to give you an insight to the topic for discussion, artificial intelligence, how it helped during the COVID-19 pandemic as a key education technology and how it is a part of future education. It's 2021 and yes, we are long past the days back when we used to line up inside the vicinity of the school library to have photocopy of couple of encyclopedia pages to use as a reference for our school projects. With this generation having grown up with the privilege of having access to technology at their fingertips, the arena of education has massively revolutionized and overturned in this digitally driven world. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the latest innovation of mankind. In the times of the COVID-19 crisis, quarantined to your home and not able to physically attend classes, this technology has slowly made its way inside the world of education too, and thus we have the online school classes. Artificial intelligence technology has overturned the world of learning as education materials become more accessible to all with the use of smart devices and computers, while also automating all complicated administrative tasks and allowing faculties to invest more time in focusing on their students. So, what is artificial intelligence? It is a branch of science producing and studying the machines aimed at the stimulation of human intelligence processes. The main objective of artificial intelligence is to optimize the routine processes, improving their speed and efficiency. Artificial intelligence tools mostly comply with three basic principles. 1. Learning is acquiring and processing the new experience, creating new behavior models. 2. Self-correction is refining the algorithm to ensure the most accurate results. 3. Reasoning is picking up the specific algorithms to resolve a specific task. These tools are presented in four basic forms. Both human plus artificial intelligence, which included assisted intelligence, where assistance of artificial intelligence in making decisions and taking actions. Augmented intelligence, human decision making automation. Artificial intelligence, which includes automation, where automation of routine tasks. Autonomous intelligence, where adaptation to different situations acting without human assistance. Now, I will discuss how artificial intelligence tools may be applied to improve the study processes. That is, what are the roles of artificial intelligence in education? 1. Personalized education. Artificial intelligence helps to find out what a student does and does not know. It helps in building a personalized study schedule for each learner considering the knowledge gaps. Thus, artificial intelligence tailors studies according to the student's specific needs, increasing their efficiency. 2. Produce smart content, digital lessons. Digital learning interfaces with customization options, digital textbooks, study guides, bite-sized lessons, and much more can be generated with the help of artificial intelligence. Information visualization. New ways of perceiving information such as visualization, stimulation, web-based study environments can be powered by artificial intelligence. Learning content updates. Artificial intelligence helps generate and update the content of the lessons, keeping the information up to date and customizing it for different learning curves. 3. Contribute to task automation. Simplification of administrative tasks, grading, assessing and replying to students is a time-consuming activity. This can be optimized by the teacher using artificial intelligence. Thus, entrusting a set of routine tasks to artificial intelligence helps teachers to make room for something more important for teaching. 4. Do tutoring. Artificial intelligence tutors are great time savers for the teachers as they do not need to spend extra time explaining challenging topics to students. With AI-powered chatbots or AI virtual personal assistants, students can avoid being embarrassed by asking for additional help in front of their friends. 5. Ensure access to education for students with special needs. The adoption of innovating artificial intelligence technologies opens up new ways of interacting for students with learning disabilities. Thus, the role of artificial intelligence in education is now known, but we need to know how artificial intelligence benefits students. Benefits of artificial intelligence for students. 24/7 access to learning. Education being online, students are free to plan their day without being linked to a specific place. They can study on the go at any place and time they want. They can build their schedule based on their most productive hours. Better engagement. Individualized schedules, custom tasks, interaction with digital technologies, and personal recommendations are part of the personal approach each student gets using artificial intelligence. Besides, a personal approach helps students feel special, increasing their engagement and raising interest in studies. Less pressure. Lessons tailored to the needs of different learning groups allow students to stop comparing them to each other. Earlier, a student should have asked a teacher for help in front of the class. Now, it's enough to type a query using a personal virtual assistant and get an instant explanation. These opportunities offered by artificial intelligence tools make personal progress come to the fore, reducing the pressure in the classroom. Less pressure means less stress and more enthusiasm to study. Artificial intelligence in education is already here. Artificial intelligence tools in the classroom help improve learning outcomes for their students. Both virtual reality and augmented reality education technology uses artificial intelligence to create more immersive learning environments. The use of speech-to-text technology and artificial intelligence-powered learning platform helps enrich students' learning, make the teachers' jobs much easier. The real benefits of using artificial intelligence in the classroom, however, lie in the very near future of education. Future of artificial intelligence in education. We know there are pitfalls in traditional teaching. Teachers in the past employed a one-size-fits-all approach to education. Lack of resources and the need to meet specific learning targets by set dates made it necessary to teach to the middle. This ignored the students who outperformed their classmates and those who were slower to grasp the material. How artificial intelligence is going to overcome this pitfall? Artificial intelligence software learns and adapts to each student's individual needs, offers the opportunity for teachers to help exactly where they are needed, will tailor the learning experience so that no students gets left behind. Automation focus on making mundane tasks easy for both students and teachers. Intelligent teaching assistants can automate some Q&A tasks of teachers. It allows students to access helps whenever they need it without soaking up valuable teacher time. The true benefit of using artificial intelligence in a learning environment is the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Such solution can help improve students' engagement during remote learning, provide most meeting transcripts for additional study aid material. Classroom of the future will likely employ artificial intelligence to better understand and personalize learning for every single student. In the future, education will be faster paced and educational needs much more varied. Thus, with the help of technologies, we are able to attend the online classes during COVID-19 pandemic, which we are continuing it. So to conclude, artificial intelligence is one of the disruptive techniques to customize the experience of different learning groups, teachers and teachers. It has started to prove its advantages and power in a wide range of educational areas. Global adoption of technology in education is transforming the way we teach and learn. It remains to be seen how the technology will empower and enhance overall learning outcomes for all. And not so far in the future, we can expect artificial intelligence to occupy an integral place in all educational experiences. Let me complete with a quote. Predicting the future is not magic, it's artificial intelligence. Thank you.